Good morning. So anyway, here we are on deck 15 in our normal spot. We've got ourselves a nice little pod, so we're sheltered from the sun. It's dead windy today actually, it's blowing a gale. Anyway,
nice then.
So last thing you saw of me was worried about this showgirl show, and to be fair to them, Royal Caribbean, it was really, really good. So I would thoroughly recommend Showgirl if you're on Odyssey this year. It's a really good show. And then we went down, had some pizza in Toronto's afterwards because we didn't have a proper evening meal.
To buy on it bar first.
Oh yeah.
Some drinks.
Yeah.
Just a little tip.
Like a Cuba Libre is $12. If you got a rum and coke separately made yourself from the menu, it's like $7 to $8. So just a little tip. For a little tip anyway. So today we've just got a bit of a sea day, well, a lot of a sea day, and yeah, nothing else to report really. We've got a day at sea today, then we've got Naples in the morning, which will be a busy old day because we're doing the ferry across to Capri. Look at this Royal Caribbean, the thing they do is they have every day they put the name of the day on, because you lose track of time, don't you? Good idea. Deck 4, this is the Esplanade. Let's have a little look in here. Cool venue. 3 pool tables. And the stage is downstairs, but if you're sitting away from the stage, you can still see what's going on from the screens upstairs, which is a great idea. And there's a stage. There's live music all the time overnight. Comfy seats.
Because like Aramis, I think it was kind of like packed, so they didn't.
This is the English pub. All the venues have the QR codes. So if you've got your phone, scan the QR code for the menu for the venue that you're in. It's quite good. Okay, so we were in here last night, obviously you saw it, but it's a bit less busy today, so I'll go through again. So this place is open pretty much 24-hour. Nice selection of veg, cheese, nibbles, it's a salad. Evening or morning. Cheese, vegetarian, pepperoni, there's every day. And they have a special on, which today is our favourite, which is the barbecue chicken. All the sauces. Good venue. So with Royal Caribbean, you have a soft drinks package, you get one of these cups. It's got a chip in the bottom. You get some ice. Pick the type of drink you want. Don't want that. And Fanta fruit punch. The Cafe Promenade's open pretty much 24-hour. Tea, coffee, milk, etc.
They got avocado sandwich.
And then you have a nice selection. Fresh fruit, sandwiches, cakes. And they're free as well. So yeah, it's good. So there's always an opportunity to get some food if you're starving in the middle of the night. And that's Cafe Promenade. It's really easy to find your way around the ship. There's everywhere there's these screens and you can just go deck maps, find your way around, give you information, bars and lounges, what's open. Pick your location, tells you where you are and which way to get there. It's clever stuff. Really good. Okay, main dining room. This has to be one of the nicest entrances to any dining room on any cruise ship. Look at this. It's a really beautiful, inviting place, isn't it? We eat at 8:30. And then you go into the downstairs one for breakfast and for lunch. But look at that. Beautiful. Next along deck 5 is a Zooey, which is sushi. Not really into sushi, so I've never had it, so I can't comment. But just have a walk through, you can have a look. Smells good. Next shop's grill. I won't go in, but it's a speciality. So we're on deck 5 now. Speciality restaurant here, Wonderland. We did this on Symphony. It's an amazing experience. Special food that you won't get anywhere else. In a really special set. Here's the menu. That's Wonderland. And then that continues on onto a schooner bar. It's a nice relaxed vibe in here with a nice piano player, soft music, nice comfy chairs.
I hope you're enjoying our tour around Odyssey. If you haven't already, please consider liking, subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to be reminded of our next vlog.
The new Royal Caribbean ships now have this touch-free buttons on all the lifts, so you just literally scan across. Okay, Giovanni's used to be Jamie's Italian, Jamie Oliver, on the Royal Caribbean ships, but since he's had his misfortunes, you've rebranded it and called it Giovanni.
Hi, hello.
Hi. The lovely setting just seems very underused. I think because it's pay, I think people just reluctant to use it really. Especially when you've got such a good pizza, complimentary pizza restaurant, Sorrento's down on the Esplanade. It does have its own little wine bar next to it. Normally has some snacks and things in there. Okay, so we're walking towards my absolute favourite area of the ship, to the very back. It's called 270. We'll go in now. They're just doing some rehearsals for the show, The Book, which we saw the other night, which is absolutely phenomenal show. This is a library. Not many books. Okay, that's 270. When we were there the other day, we saw the 270 experience show, which shows you all what its capabilities are, and she was saying the whole area cost $36 million for that venue to make it, and the robot screens was $7 million on their own. So a big investment by Royal Caribbean, and I've got to say, it's one of the best venues I've ever seen for a live show. Would thoroughly recommend it. Book early, book as soon as you get on, book your space. One of the best shows I've ever seen. Right, next door to 270 we have the 270 Cafe. Cafe 270. This is complimentary, offering tea, coffee, cakes, sandwiches, salads. Great place, really good. Well, that is Cafe at 270.
Thank you so much for watching this episode. We really do appreciate it. And if you like this video, then please give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. It really does help us out. And as we've got so much more to come, then hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. And please pop any comments that you might have in the comment section below. That's all till next time. Thanks for watching.